Hello friends, now I am going to speak about fundamental duties. Indian Constitution Part 4A, Article 51A, Class A to K, especially speaks about the fundamental duties of Indian citizens. We should respect and abide all the duties imposed by fundamental duties. Now I am telling the fundamental duties. What are the duties imposed by Indian Constitution? Article 51A. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India. Class A. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institution. The national flag, and the national anthem. To class B, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Class C, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Class D, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Class E, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women. Class F, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Class G, to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. And Class H, to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Class I, to safeguard public property and to adjure violence. Class I, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher level of endeavor and achievement. And last duty is 51A Class K, who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be, what between the age of 6 and 14 years. So these are the duties imposed by our Indian Constitution by the way of 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976. A new chapter 4A, which consists of only one article 51A, was added, which dealt with the code of 10 fundamental duties for citizens. Fundamental duties are intended to serve as a constant reminder to every citizen that while the Constitution specifically conferred on them certain fundamental rights, it also requires citizens to observe certain basic norms of democratic conduct and democratic behavior because rights and duties are correlative. The inclusion of fundamental duties brought our Constitution in line with Article 29, Class 1 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and with provisions in several modern constitutions of other countries. The concept of fundamental duties was taken up from the USSR, Union, Soviet, Russia. The fundamental duties are essentially taken from the Indian tradition, mythology, religions, and practices. Essentially, these were the duties that are the codification of task integral to the Indian way of life. Originally, 10 fundamental duties were listed. Later on, by virtue of 86th Constitution, the amendment in year 2002, 11th duty was added. Constitution Day. We are celebrating 26th November. Every year, 26th November, we are celebrating that day is the Constitution Day because that day we have adopted our Indian Constitution. So, thank you for watching this video, friends. So, I hope you know the fundamental duties imposed by Indian Constitution, and when the Constitution Day is celebrating in our country, the Constitution Day is every year November 26th, our Constitution Day. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.